According to a press release from the Newport Beach Police Department, officers pulled over Lydia's older brother, Jeffrey Shane Sterling, for a traffic violation while he was riding his motorcycle on the night of April 17th. Police then state, quote, "Shortly after being stopped, Sterling became uncooperative and assaulted the officer. During the ensuing violent altercation, Sterling managed to remove the department-issued taser from the officer's deputy belt and attempted to deploy it multiple times against the officer. At that point, an officer-involved shooting occurred." Authorities then share that after being transported to a local hospital following the shooting, Jeffrey was pronounced dead.